If you're watching this video, somebody said they had something pretty cool they wanted you to check out. If you're anything like me, you cannot wait to get on your next vacation. I'm about to show you the very best way to begin creating and checking off your bucket list. I'm also going to show you how you can create a stream of residual income part-time from home. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go? And what if you could get the very best prices on the planet? Well, have you heard of the world's greatest travel app? No longer do you have to deal with timeshares. No longer do you have to go to travel agents. You now have the very best prices right at the click of your finger. Well, here's an example. Ocean Blue and Sand Resort, 4 days, 3 nights, all suites, all inclusive. Only $249 per person based on double occupancy. Introducing the golden ticket. You're going to get 4 days and 3 nights at resorts at up to 75% off. Your price is locked for up to 24 months, and we have a bunch to choose from, most of them costing $249. Well, here's another example in Mexico at the Fives Beach Resort. All inclusive, $249 each for the duration of your stay. Or maybe you'd like to go to Egypt and stay at the Pyramid Edge Hotel for only $99 each, 4 days and 3 nights with breakfast. Or maybe you want to shoot down to Cape Town, South Africa, 4 days, 3 nights for only $99. So you're probably asking, how do I get a golden ticket? Well, let me tell you about Dream Trips. Dream Trips is a luxury lifestyle vacation club. For those that want to travel VIP style, for those that want to live a champagne lifestyle but on a beer budget, ultimately we use the same bulk buying model as Costco's, BJ's, and Sam's Club. You can go to 7-Eleven and get a water for $1.50, or you can go to Costco's and get a case of waters, 40 waters for about $3 or $4. Well, this is exactly what we do, but with vacations. Now, for the last 6 years, we have been voted the world's leading travel club by the World Travel Awards, which is kind of like the Oscars of travel. And ultimately, we offer a club membership giving you access to the very best prices on the planet. And we're going to be talking about Dream Trip Silver, which is the entry-level membership. Dream Trip Silver is going to give you access to our wholesale booking engine, taking care of all of your travel needs, and once again, giving you amazing prices. So, for 5 nights at Hotel Indigo in Brooklyn, New York, on Booking.com, $1,095. On Dream Trip Silver platform, $691. That's $405 in savings. How about the Holiday Inn in Orlando? 5 nights, $646. Dream Trip Silver, $306. That's $341 in savings. How about the Waikiki Beach Marriott Resort in Honolulu? 5 nights on Booking.com, $1,816. On Dream Trip Silver, $1,096. That's $720 in savings. How about Hilton on Park Lane in London? Booking.com, $1,625. Dream Trip Silver, $841. That's $784 in savings. We're now in position to save hundreds on top of hundreds, or even thousands on top of thousands every single year utilizing this silver platform. You're also going to have access to one private dream trip, which is going to give you the opportunity to test out our signature product. Last year, over 500 of us were in Cabo at the Hard Rock. This year, we are going to the Hard Rock in Puerto Vallarta. Now, this is an ultra all-inclusive. All of your food, all of your drinks, all of your liquor. You're going to get round-trip airport transfers included, a private party, unlimited resort credit, and as you can see, the accommodations are amazing. So this trip is August 17th through August 20th, only $499 each based on double occupancy. So Dream Trip Silver is only going to cost you $25 to get started and $25 a month. And guess what? You may want to tell some of your friends and family about this. Once you refer 4 people, they're going to waive your monthly due. Now, another perk of of Dream Trips is telemedicine. You're going to have unlimited 24/7 access to doctors with no copay. You're only going to pay $10 a month. This is absolutely phenomenal. So if you have 2 10s and a 5, let the person that shared this information with you know that you are ready to get a membership. But now we're going to be switching gears. In these uncertain times, what are you doing to secure your way of life and protect your family's financial future? Well, right now there are over 30 million people unemployed in the United States, and home-based businesses are on the rise. And this would be a great opportunity for you to start your home-based business. We believe that now is the time. And what is it that we do? All we do is share information with people. We let people know how they can save a tremendous amount of money on their travel. We let people know about those golden tickets. And ultimately, as members, we're going to go on trips. We're going to post pictures. We're going to share our vacation experiences with people. So this is very, very fun. To become a business representative, it's only $50 to get started and $25 a month. Now, Robert Kiyosaki, one of the most successful businessmen in the world, his saying is, the richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everybody else looks for work. Well, we're going to show you how you can create monthly residual income simply by building a network. The first thing we want you to do is go out and refer 6 people. You're going to be a qualified rep and you're going to get your first check. But now we want to help those 6 get 6 who get 6. Now you're making an extra $13,000 to $14,000 a year working part-time from home. And as this continues to grow, you can put yourself in a position where you have total time and financial freedom. So if someone offers you an amazing opportunity, but you're not sure you can do it, say yes and learn how to do it later. This is what a bunch of us did. And we've hit the level of marketing director. We now make an extra $2,000 to $5,000 a month residually. This is Michelle Grant, who is at the level of regional marketing director. The average income residually at regional marketing director is $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Here's Darren and Sarah Walker, who have hit the top level in the company. International marketing director. They have now made well over $1 million. They're also getting a $1,500 a month car bonus as well as a $3,000 a month home bonus. This is what we call time and financial freedom. There are no guarantees regarding income. The success or failure of each independent rep, like any other business, depends on each rep's own skill and personal effort. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Ultimately, you're going to get out of this what you put into this. The more you share, the more you earn. We're not looking for everybody. We're looking for people who are coachable. We're looking for people who are willing to learn the system. We're looking for people who are going to embrace going to training events so that you can grow and become a leader. So you can join Dream Trips and just travel for only $25 and $25 a month. And remember, once you refer 4 people, they're going to waive that monthly due. Or maybe you want to travel and make money. Well, that's going to be $75 to get started and $50 a month. But remember, once you refer 4 people, $25 is waived, which is going to leave you with $25 a month. Now, timing is very, very important. You want to position yourself. You want to lock your spot. Why? Because once you lock your spot, the next person that joins the team comes on underneath you. You are now benefiting financially from the success of the team. We understand that you may want to think about it. You are now giving up your slot. The next person that come in is going to fill in your position. Maybe you're saying you don't have the money. Well, if you don't have $25 to $75, maybe it's time to try something new. Figure out a way to get the money. Maybe you're saying you don't have the time. Well, that's okay too. We do not need your time. You know people we don't know. We can help you win with your contacts with just a few hours a week. Or maybe you're scared. You've never done anything like this. Or the last time you tried something, you failed. Understand that when you win, the entire team wins. You're going to have a whole bunch of people that are going to help you out and help you be successful. So you don't want to miss that next spot. You don't want to end up under the ace. As you can see, 10 people have joined already. Those 10 can turn into 100 or even 1,000. So thinking about it can really cost you. So there's only one question now. Are you ready to get started? Get back with the person that invited you to watch this video. Let them know whether you're in or out. And if you are in, welcome to our world. Take care.
What's going on, you guys? My name is Jenna Rain. I'm 28 years young. I saw what you guys just saw about 8 years ago coming out of college. Long story short, I haven't had to look for a job since. I've been able to clear well over 6 figures with this thing, and I've been all around the world. Thank you, WorldVentures.
Hey guys, my name is Johnny Bush.
And my name is Alicia Bush.
And we are the Burning Bushes. Hey, we are from Long Island, New York, and we are a family of 8.
We've been involved in this concept for almost 6 years now. We've been on over 25 dream trips.
And we are also proud residual earners. Thank you, WorldVentures.
Hey everyone, my name is Sonia Gonzalez. I was introduced to this concept while I was employed at New York City Transit as a contract specialist. I wasn't totally fulfilled there, not excited about the next 15 years to retire, but my son shared this information with me. I've been on 49 vacations so far, learned the business, earned over 6 figures with this, so I am beyond grateful. Thank you, WorldVentures.
We're the Giddens family.
6 years ago, my husband and I saw this concept. He was working 60 hours a week, little to no time for the family. Thank you, WorldVentures. He's able to replace his income working from home.
We've also been on over 40 vacations during that time, including 14 with our 2 sons.
I love dream trips.
My name is Tiffany Harvey, 30 years young, saw this concept when I absolutely needed it the most. Been on over 60 trips, earned a residual income. The company pays towards my 5 Series BMW. Just living a life of fun, freedom, and fulfillment. Thank you, God. Thank you, WorldVentures.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Darren Walker, 34 years strong. Listen, I saw this information 8 years ago with my family, was living in my mom's basement, decided to plug into the system, hit the top level of the company, and now we're winning on a high level, and we're scoring some hoops. Right, Kingston? Show them. Go, go, go. Whoa! You should be here.